Funny noises are a common occurrence throughout the vast and absurd universe, often leaving perplexed beings scratching their heads in bemusement. From the cacophonic wail of a Vogan poetry recital to the melodious slurping sounds made by a Blerontinian snafflebeast, the cosmos is a veritable symphony of strange and humorous auditory experiences. One of the most notorious funny noises in the galaxy is the blibbering humdinger, a perplexing sound emitted by an enigmatic creature known as the quibberwaffle. Legend has it that the blibbering humdinger can make even the most serious individuals burst into uncontrollable laughter, their knees weak with mirth. Many hitchhikers have claimed to encounter the elusive quibberwaffle, only to be left in stitches, unable to describe the sound without resorting to wild gesticulations and exaggerated facial expressions. Not all funny noises are of extraterrestrial origin. On Earth, the planet known for its eccentric inhabitants, humans have a penchant for creating bizarre sounds themselves. Take, for instance, the raspberry sound, a comedic masterpiece produced by placing the tongue between the lips and blowing, resulting in a delightfully childish and silly noise. It has been known to brighten even the gloomiest of days and is often employed as a form of harmless mischief. Another earthly funny noise is the unmistakable bowing sound. This whimsical noise, reminiscent of a spring being stretched to its limits, is frequently associated with comical situations involving bouncing objects or overly elastic beings. Scientists have yet to fully explain the source of this sound, but it never fails to elicit laughter from witnesses, creating a delightful ripple of amusement wherever it's heard. In the vast expanse of the universe, funny noises serve as a reminder that humor knows no boundaries. They bring a touch of levity to our cosmic journey, transcending cultural differences and unifying us in laughter. So, if you find yourself aboard a spaceship hurtling through space or traversing the streets of a peculiar alien city, don't be surprised if you encounter a funny noise that tickles your funny bone. Embrace it, share in the laughter, and remember to bring a towel. After all, it's the most important item in the hitchhiker's arsenal, even when it comes to dealing with funny noises.